Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher Assembly, 7th of December 2020, almost at Christmas. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. You know what we're aiming for. We want everybody to have a great caring attitude. We want everybody to be trying their best, always learning, especially from their mistakes, going for improvement and progress, using their education to help them to make great choices as they go through life and never giving up. So we always talk about true strength, how we can become stronger so we can live our best lives. And we know there's physical strength. We want to be healthy and we want to be strong physically, but the real strength is character strength. That's the strength inside yourself to be the best that you can be, which will help you to overcome any challenge and help you solve any problem that you face. And that's why we always say that character strength, it helps you to solve your problems. And the big question you've got to keep asking yourself is, which character strength am I going to use when you're faced with a problem? So we've learned about the virtues. Those are good things. And we have learned about 4 virtues so far. We learned about wisdom, which is deep thinking, learning from every opportunity so that you can really make wise choices, and then courage to go and put those choices in action, to really live well and commit great actions. That's courage. Transcendence is to live in a way so that you can go to a higher level. And temperance is to find balance in your life, not get overexcited or not get excited at all, not go too high, too low, just to find balance in your life. And those are the 4 virtues we've learned so far. And virtues are good things. We are going to add a virtue today, and that is the virtue of humanity. We're all human beings, and when we act the way that human beings do, different to the way that animals do, animals just behave out of instinct. They aren't able quite the way that human beings are to really think deeply and make great choices. Humanity is made up of the character strengths of kindness and love and social intelligence. And kindness is when we look around us and we see other people and we give to them. We might give our time, we might give some of our money, we might give some of the things that we have, but we share. That's kindness with other people. Then there's love, and love is when you have a relationship with somebody and you give and you receive. It's like kind of friendship. There's sometimes when you give to your friend, and then sometimes when your friend gives to you. That's love. And social intelligence, that's the stuff that we always call consideration. When you look around you and you see society, you see people around you, and you know how to behave and how to live in a way that makes everybody feel good and do well. That's called social intelligence. That's what we call consideration. So I've got a picture of socks over here, and that's because on December the 10th, that's this Thursday, we are going to celebrate Odd Sock Day. And what we're asking everybody, that's adults as well as children, is to wear 2 non-matching socks. So 2 socks that are different to each other. And the reason we're doing that is because sometimes you hear people, they look at somebody and they think that that person is strange and different to them. And sometimes when they're being a little bit mean, or maybe they're not thinking about how they could be kind, they say to somebody who's different to them, they say, "You're weird." And that's one of the things that makes me the saddest in life, when somebody says to somebody else, "You're so strange," or "You're so weird." Because when you do that, it just makes the other person feel really miserable and really down. And even worse than that, it doesn't really give everybody the chance to celebrate how brilliant it is when we really celebrate difference. When we all realize that we're all different and each one of us has got special talents and each one of us has got special strengths, and we put those all together, it's like this incredible human teamwork. So when we celebrate the difference, when we live and believe that diversity is a strength, we all come out doing so much better. So when you wear on Thursday your odd socks, what you're saying is, I love difference, I accept difference, I celebrate difference. In the same way that I am myself, everybody else can be themselves, and together we make the world a better place by getting on with each other. And here's 3 very powerful humanity actions. Number 1 is when somebody talks to you, maybe about their problem, maybe about their life, really, really listen. You don't look at your phone, you don't look away, you don't think about other things. You really try to listen to that person. When you do that, that is a wonderful way of doing humanity action, kindness, love, and social intelligence. The next thing is to respect other people and their opinions. Somebody might have a different religion to you, they might speak a different language, they might look different. The point is, whether you agree with them or whether you don't agree with them, if you respect them, that is a powerful humanity action. And the third one is to really celebrate difference. So when you see somebody different to yourself, you say, how wonderful. It's what makes the world a fantastic place when there are so many wonderful ways for people to be different. And we really celebrate that difference. Not even just respect it, we actually celebrate it, which is really what we're good at Grange. So you can see this little guy, he's got his problems. What should he do? And I am asking today, what problems, sorry about that, that should say, what problems does humanity solve? And if you think about, if we all live our lives with humanity, especially adults, you could think about how many arguments would not be had because people are really listening to each other, respecting each other, even when they disagree with each other. It really, really makes a difference when people live with humanity. And that's our Grange CC way. We want to be confident. We want to celebrate who we are and considerate. We want to celebrate everybody else as well. We want to celebrate the difference. And that's our Grange philosophy for life. Confident and considerate. Here are the stars of the week. That goes to Hussein H. Wonderful to see you there. Riola. Maria A. Abu. Asia. Irfan. Nur. Hussein A. Jalal. Natalia. Logan. Pfizer. Yasin. Nikki. And Adam, all brilliant, all with gold, and more gold coming. Amar N, Bassett, Sanuja, Ashvini, Branshika, Tiago, Louisa, Irfan, Hassan, Katzba, Jahim, Jeshwin. Well done, everybody. Brilliant gold people. So the Grange House of Water, 3,169 points. It was Sammy, Katzba, Olivia, Logan, Ashvini, Hodan, Amar, Alex, Bassett, Shahad, Irfan, Atif, Ryan, Semina, Juri, Aini, and Dennis B. Wonderful. And Joseph, Delia, Alana, Yusuf M. Dima, Zakaria, and Khalif with a wonderful, and Khalif as well with wonderful 57. Brilliant. Grange House of Fire, 2,698 points. Branshika, Amar N, Jalal, Avi, Daim, Jori, Eric, Roki-san, Ishan, Rehan, Maria V, Gala, Ruel, and Nia. Brilliant. And Jahim, Leo, Laurentio, Jeshwin, and Meld with an incredible 111 points. Brilliant work. Grange House of Air, 2,459 points. Yaksh, Ananya, Hasnain, Andrada, Ibrahim O, Diana Ahmed, Nikki Tamid, Martina, Sophia Z, and Adrian R with 30 points. Brilliant work. Anna Maria, Sophie, Tiana, Bahar, Daria, Uzair, and Mohammed K with a wonderful 59 points. Brilliant. Grange House of Earth, 3,107. Nur Asia, Hussein A, Abu Sanuja, Alexandra, Renaya, Shema, Vanessa, Justino, Maria A, Ansh, Afshin, Jade, David, and Lorik. Brilliant. And Riola, Hussein, Nihara, Shifa, Sharia, Zara M, and Jacob. An absolutely wonderful 60 points. Brilliant work. So the whole Grange community, we've got 11,433 points, which is absolutely brilliant, but even more importantly, Sorry, I was already thinking ahead. We'll come back to that. But my classy classes, Lister class with 420 points, Beckham class with 500. But this week's classy class is Holmes class with 653 points. Really proud of you. Well done, Holmes class. So, Autumn 1 total, we got 47,561 points. And our half-term target was 50,000 points, which means we made it 55,703 points. That's what I was talking about before when I said more importantly, because we made it. And remember, we were aiming for the reindeer. We needed 50,000 points to get our reindeer. We got 55,000 points, which means the reindeer are coming on Friday, and I can't wait for that. So thank you, Freddie, for last half term. Reindeer coming this Friday. Remember your odd socks on Thursday. When you wear your odd socks, you are saying, I celebrate the difference. I am confident and I am considerate. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's live with humanity. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.